Welcome to this in-depth review of Monday.com, the all-in-one work operating system designed to help teams collaborate more effectively and manage projects with ease. I've been using Monday.com for a while now, and in this video, I'll be walking you through my experience and the key features that make it unique. First off, when you land on the homepage, you're greeted by a clean, visually appealing interface. The design is modern, and it's easy to navigate, which is important if you're looking to jump into your projects without much of a learning curve. The first thing I noticed when signing up for Monday.com was the ease of getting started. They provide a simple onboarding process with various templates depending on your team's needs. You can choose templates for everything from project management to CRM and marketing, or even software development. This makes it incredibly versatile. I started with a project management template, which I'll show you now. As you can see, you have a customizable board where you can add tasks, set deadlines, assign team members, and track the status of each task. One of the standout features of Monday.com is its flexibility. It allows you to customize workflows, integrate with other apps like Google Drive and Slack, and automate repetitive tasks. This is a real time saver and helps you focus on the more important aspects of your work. I found the automation to be really useful, especially for recurring tasks like status updates or reminders for upcoming deadlines. Now, let's talk about team collaboration. Monday.com makes it super easy to communicate with your team members directly within the platform. You can leave comments on tasks, tag team members, and attach files, all in one place. This feature helped me a lot in keeping communication streamlined and avoiding email overload. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to make the most of your time here. Next, let's dive into the reporting features. Monday.com offers dashboards that give you a bird's-eye view of your projects. You can track progress in real time and even pull reports to see how your team is performing. This has been incredibly helpful in tracking project timelines and ensuring that we stay on schedule. In terms of pricing, Monday.com offers a variety of plans to fit different team sizes and budgets. They have a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to a subscription. The pricing can get a little steep for larger teams, but the features and flexibility are definitely worth it for many businesses. So, would I recommend Monday.com? Absolutely. It's a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve team collaboration and project management. The features are robust, the interface is user-friendly, and it offers a lot of flexibility to adapt to your team's needs. If you like this review, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews of productivity tools. Thanks for watching.